Hey guys, so today we're gonna do something we never done before. So I bought these things from Amazon. What's it called? I don't know. They still installation. Yeah, it's for the wall. So I'm gonna try to put it together to see if I can do it because I know I'm an independent woman. I'm gonna have to buy it. We're gonna see if I can do it. I'm not gonna wait for my boyfriend to do it for me. I'm gonna try to do it myself because I know I can do it. Yeah. So it's a three sets thing. So yeah. And then I have another order. Um. Let's open this together. So yeah. I don't have anything to open that. I don't have anything to open that. So today I didn't go to work. I had to go to my to a training that take like at least 4 hours of me listening to someone speak English, and I don't want that. I don't. That's not too much. But the thing is today, usually I fall asleep. But today I bought my drink from McDonald's. My drink for Dunkin'. So I didn't fall asleep, but I was bored as hell, bro. Imagine you sitting, listen to someone just like talking without stopping, like talking constantly. Oh my god. It's not even in your language, native language, is in English, the language that you learn. So imagine. So, and then thank God they let me go home early because I didn't see myself spend 8 hours listen to someone speak about human right. It's good. I learned some stuff, but yeah. So I'm still gonna stick by it until I go viral on YouTube. So, but I'm still gonna learn something too. Okay, so let's open that. I think that can open it. What the hell? I need to find something to open it. Oh, by the way, I have a brand new vanity. I'll show y'all later. You guys gonna get sick of me. Oh my god. My keys are outside. Oh, thank God. I have a Caesar. I'm gonna cut that crap. So first, what I brought this vanity setup thing. To set up my things on the vanity. Oh yeah, organizer. I'm sorry, I gave everything a name. So it's called 10 Park Dryer Organizer. I don't know if I say it right, so let me be. So mwen achete sa this pack sa pou organize my brand new vanity. Yeah, so this, and then I don't know what is that one, but I'll open it. I know I bought it. Oh, it's the fake little flower I bought to put on the thing. I'm gonna try to set up. Look at that! It's so cute. It's cute, right? It's two of them. You see? Little flowers. And then what else? I bought this. Oh! Bro, I thought to be honest with you, I think that I thought that was big. I thought it was big. Look, it's tiny, bro. I thought it was bigger, but it's still cute though. I like it. Still cute. And that, and then, and I have the big box. I don't even know what's inside of it, but I bought it. Let's see. Oh, I think it's for my wall. I bought it because the way my room is, when you enter, you don't see my room exactly. I don't know. I have to show y'all how it is. And like, I have a wall that separate my my closet and then my room. So that wall, that's where I'm gonna put it. So yeah. So I'll do everything with y'all. Yeah, it's just like I thought that thing was gonna be big. And imagine my surprise. The thing is tiny as. Oh. Tiny. Bro. Look. Wait, I think I have stuff. I don't have to put those. I don't know for these ones. But give me this. It's sun mirror. Wait. Yes. Yes. Get yourself. That's cute. That one. And there's one more, two more. And this one. Ooh. This one. And there's one more. I think it's the same thing as the first one, the second one, I mean. And no, it's the same thing. Yeah. So I bought it for the wall. So let's try to put that thing on the wall. Let's try to do it. But you'll see, guys. You'll see. Okay. I think they gave us a guidance how to do it, everything. So. Dirty. So thanks for your push. Pusa, I don't know. I cannot speak today. We devoted to provide you high quality product and superior service to you. If you have any problem or concern, for example, you receive a damaged or defective item, please contact us immediately and we'll help you provide your service. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. So now, a big thing. That's all the same for me. I'm trying to read first. G. To make the holes and make sure the shaft has a level flush to the wall before extension. Then grill the hole as shown in the figure. Okay. Okay. It's easy. Seem easy. It's so easy. I think I can do it. Let's do this. First, let's try to do something else first though. Let's try to put the mirror on the wall. Mirror on the wall. Who's the prettiest girl? So yeah, let's do that first. I'm going to put this on the wall. I have my tools. And my gun. Ooh, I like the way it sounds. Okay. So, what did I see first? I don't know. Let's do it again. Okay. Wait, why do I have an alarm on? Serious. Oh my. more down. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm happy. I did it. You see it? I did. Ew. Oh, this is dead. It's dead. Wow. My thing is charging because it's a doesn't have charge. So let's put these things together because I don't have time. Let me just put them. Okay. Yeah, it's clear. Everything. I'm putting my everything in them so I can see these things. Prevent them to go anywhere, I think. these things I'm putting. I'm proud of myself today. I did that. Oh my god, I need to do my nails though. My nails are so disgusting right now, just so you cannot understand that. Just like, I don't know where I got the black from. Look. It's like all black. Every time I look at my nails, I'm like, yeah girl, I need to do something about it. I guess this Saturday I might go do my nails. So first, let's see fit. Okay, wait, is it only one? They give me 2 of this. 3. Let's see first. I don't know. So first, I'm gonna install this on the wall the way I want them. 3 of them. So bear with me please. Oof. Bear with me please. Where did I put my phone? So this is the wall. Am I gonna put it straight? I don't know. Am I gonna put it curvy? Maybe. I have to think more. Yeah, I'm gonna put it curvy somehow. Okay, back. Oh, so I do like this. No. Okay, so it needs to be like this. Wait. Let's try and see. I'm short, I'm not tall. I'll put it. Uh-huh. So shoot. Should I put it here? I don't know, should I leave it here or should I put it somewhere else? I don't want to put it there. I think I'm gonna leave it here. We'll see. Okay. If I don't like it, I'll put it back. Take it off of me. Second. Second. It's the second one. This is a finished look. Oh, I did that. I'm proud of myself. I'm really is. So I'm really proud of myself. I did all that by myself. Yeah. And then I put this ones too. I did everything by myself in my room. Like my bed, my boyfriend did it. This, my boyfriend built it. My vanity, my boyfriend did it too. So let me show y'all my vanity, the finished look of my room. Okay. When you open my room, what you can see is my wall. I just did. And then the little shelf. I did that. And then my vanity. Oh, it is. You can change color. And that's it. And then don't mind my dirty laundry. My little closet. Yeah. So that's it for today. So don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Comment, really comment, ask questions, all that. Ask question how I'm a superwoman. I did like cut my nail on my finger though. I cut my finger, but I did a good job and I'm proud of myself. I knew I could do it, so I did it by myself. I don't care what anybody gonna say, I did it. So have a good night.